Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to turn off autoplay on YouTube Android completely. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Look at the bottom right corner of the main interface layout and tap directly on your Profile tab, which is labeled as You. Look at the top right corner of your Profile dashboard screen and tap on the Settings gear icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu list and tap explicitly on the option labeled Playback. Inside the Properties layout, locate the main toggle switch at the top labeled Autoplay Next Video. Tap the toggle switch right next to Autoplay Next Video to slide it completely off. Alternatively, you can disable it instantly while actively watching any media. Just tap anywhere on the active video player screen to bring up the overlay controls. Look at the top edge of the video window layout and tap on the small toggle switch that looks like a play/pause symbol to switch it off. The application framework will instantly update your configuration layout, completely blocking the platform from automatically starting a random next video loop when your current playback ends. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.